If you want to set up a remote on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the MI remote app, which should be pre-installed on your phone. Once you go over here, you can press add remote button over here at the bottom or this plus button in the upper right corner. You need to choose what kind of appliance you want to add to your phone. So for example, if you want to add a remote for your TV, then of course we need to choose TV. You will need to raise your phone because at the back we have the IR blaster, and after that we need to hold the phone with its back facing the device. And after that you can choose what kind of brand your device or appliance is. So let's say in my case, if I'm trying to select TV, we can also use this search at the top. And let's say I'm gonna type Samsung, then we need to choose if, at least in this case, if my TV is on. So of course we need to press on. Of course, in theory, I should, well, in practice as well, I should be pointing the back of my phone at my TV right now. But of course, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it like it is right now. And here we just need to keep pressing on the power button until it actually works on our TV. If you press the button and it doesn't change anything, then of course you want to select that it didn't change anything and then just keep going over and over again until it actually works. So in here we just are looking for the proper remote for the selected brand of your device. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.